As per my promise, I told you that I will cover the video, the planet strength, the Mool Trikon, exalted, debilitated, and on-sign concept, especially the Mool Trikon. So this video dedicated in English for those who do not understand the Hindi language. Let's move ahead. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the planet are having four type of states. First, a planet can be in its own house, a planet can be Mool Trikon house, a planet can be exalted, and a planet can be debilitated. What does on house means? On house means like one's own home. It is natural and comfortable, means when you feel comfortable at your home, at your house, this is exactly that position or that house. So what is Mool Trikon? The Mool Trikon of a planet is like one's office. It's a duty place where you have power and perform your daily routine work. So one is powerful and duty minded at office. So when you are powerful, you have the ability to earn money, then you can easily run your own house. Now third one is exalted. Exalted sign of a planet is like a favorite hotel, favorite multi-place, favorite picnic place. One is excited to visit such kind of place most of the time. So an exalted planet is like an excited person who he liked the most. Now what is debilitated? Just opposite the exalted. So debilitated sign of a planet is like a bad place, one's worst party. You cannot feel happy at such place. These are the states. Now here are the list of planets and the exaltation state, debilitation state, and the Mool Trikona space. So first of all, we will discuss about the Sun. Sun owns only one house, that is Leo. Sun is king among all planets and king of jungle, and definitely it's a power, it's a soul. So it fits to the character of Sun, hence Leo is the Mool Trikon Rashi. So if you see in your chart that number 5 is written somewhere and Sun is placed there and Sun is having degree 1 degree to 10 degree, then it is said to its Mool Trikon Rashi. So what will happen in the Mool Trikon Rashi? Whenever the Dasha Antardasha of Sun will run, it eventually give you power and your mind will enhance and you perform duty well. And the house in which the condition is hold, that house gives the positive influence on it. Now move to Moon. So same as Sun, Moon owns only one sign, that is Cancer. And the exalted state is Taurus and debilitated state is Scorpio. So if in your chart, in your Lagna chart or somewhere in your chart you see that number 2 is written anywhere in your chart and you see that Moon is placed and Moon is having degree 4 degree to 20 degree, then it states that the natural opinion of the person it shows. So Cancer is the Mool Trikona having the degree 0 having Mool Trikon Rashi having the degree 4 to 20 degree. Now moves to Mars. So Mars exalted state is Capricorn, number 10, debilitated state is number 4 when it is Cancer. But when Mars is placed in one, if you see in your chart one number somewhere and Mars is placed and Mars is having degree 0 to 12 degree, then it is said to be in the Mool Trikon Rashi. Please note that Mars rules two signs, one is Aries, that is 1, and one is 8, that is Scorpio. Mars represents our willpower, courage, action taking ability, and Aries represents self and people who are very active and go-getter kind of closer nature. So all these characteristics of Mars comes into Aries, hence Aries is the Mool Trikon sign of Mars. Although Scorpio is also a sign ruled by Mars, but Scorpio is about occult science, research, transformation. So Scorpio will remain Mars' own sign, where Aries Mool Trikon shine. Now talk about Mercury. Again, Mercury rules two signs, number 3 Gemini and number 6 Virgo. So if you see in your chart that number 6 is written somewhere and Mercury is there and Mercury is having degrees 16 degree to 20 degree, 16 degree to 20 degree. In that case, Mercury is said to be in the Mool Trikona. Mercury represents logical thinking, quick decision making, analysis ability, and all are the characteristics of Virgo sign. Hence, Virgo represents analytical approach and being critical about things. So, Virgo becomes Mool Trikona sign of Mercury, whereas Gemini remains its own sign. Now moves to Jupiter. Jupiter again having two sign lot, one is Sagittarius and one is Pisces. So what does Jupiter represent? Jupiter represents religion, philosophy, literature, etc. and Sagittarius represents the same thing. Hence Sagittarius is Jupiter's Mool Trikona sign, whereas Pisces Jupiter's own sign. Please do not confuse. Now talk about Venus. Again, Venus is having the lordship of the two sign, number 2 Taurus and number 7 relationship Libra. Venus represents relations, you know that it represents wife, husband for a man, and it is the main significant of the marriage. So Libra, as you know, that is the sign of balance. Libra is sign of relationship. So Libra is Mool Trikona sign of Venus and Taurus would remain as Venus' own sign. Now comes to Saturn. Saturn again rules, one is 10 Capricorn and one is Aquarius. So Saturn feels more comfortable at Aquarius because of its portfolio of networking, large organization and huge buildings. Hence Aquarius is Mool Trikona sign of Saturn, while number 10 Capricorn is the own house of Saturn. Now what about Rahu and Ketu? Rahu Taurus exalted, Scorpio debilitated, Ketu Scorpio exalted and Taurus debilitated. And it is said that in number 6 Virgo, Rahu is said to be the Mool Trikona Rashi, and number 12 in Ketu, number 12 in Pisces, Ketu is said to be Mool Trikona. Hence, these are the table. I think you have just noted down all the things. The Hindi version of this video is already present in the playlist section. Please do visit that. If you need any consultancy, you can visit our Jyotishghar app or our website jyotishghar.in. You can share your chart or one question on Instagram, Twitter, on Facebook and Quora, and wait for your turn. We will try our best to reply as soon as possible. Please do not sub-comment, do not share your mobile number, email address in the comment box. We do not call anybody before prior appointment. That's all for the day. Thank you so much. Jai Mata Di.